Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, we are
from
Levitating. So in this video, we're gonna make wall decoration from tissue.
Now before that, we will introduce ourselves first from Dinar. Before that, we will introduce ourselves first.
Hi, my name is Atika from ASM number 10.
I am Eka Putri Triskaningtyas, number 15.
My name is Marcellino Jefferson from SMAN number 22.
Let's get started.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. I believe that you're for me. I feel it in our energy. I see us written in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never, baby. Nothing's ever too far.
So this is the
Result.
and we can put it on the wall as the decoration. So this is the final result, and we can put it on the wall as the wall decoration and to make your room so cool. Yes, amazing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like it. Bye bye.